Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I will be replacing my fuel regulator because actually mine, sometimes I heard leaking. It's something that I already know for a long time, but I never fix it. I have a new one right here and I'm gonna show you how to replace. Actually, it's really easy if you need to replace. So guys, if you are new in the channel, take a look at my other videos because this time we are restoring AUDI A3 1.6 from 98. We already restored Nissan Micra, we already restored a Volkswagen Polo 6 and 2. This car is like starting right now. This car don't have many mechanical problems, but it have a lot of issues in the interior and in the paint, so I'll try to fix. So if you are new in the channel, don't forget your thumbs up, that will help me a lot. And if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and let's replace this fuel regulator. Let's go. If you are looking to replace this fuel regulator, which is this small piece right here, and if you have this engine, it's this part right here. In my case, mine is leaking. I believe it's because the O-rings may be old. So I'm gonna replace for a new one. This is from Bosch. I can show you the part number. So the first thing we need to do is to disconnect this line over here. Just pull it out. And then you have a lock system right here, and you can use a flat screwdriver. You just make a bit, you see, like this, and it's unlocked. I will put here an old claw because this could leak, and sometimes this could be a little bit tight to remove, but you can shake it a bit like this, and you're going pulling out. And here it is. This is the original one, if you want to see the part number. In some cases you can have dust inside, and you need to clean, of course, when you're gonna replace this. Try not to drop inside the dust, okay? So let's clean this and install the new one. So, as you can see, as simple as that. And now let's start the engine to see if everything is okay. So everything seems okay. Let's see if there is any leak. So guys, as you can see, this is really easy to do. You just need like 5 minutes to replace a fuel pressure regulator. That's all for today, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.